In the name of God, the most gracious, the merciful. Your Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, ably represented by the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Kashim Shettima. Your Excellency, the Sean of the Shoy, the Senate President, also the former Governor of Akwa Ibom State, and now the number 3 citizen of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Godswill Afabio. Your Excellency, the Chairman of Nigeria's Governors Forum and the Governor of Kwara State, and also the Chairman of Progressive Governors Forum, the Governor of Imo State, all progressive governors, 24 of them who are here with us, members of the National Assembly, senators, members of House of Representatives, honorable ministers, my working colleagues, I cannot forget you, members of the National Working Committee, our host, the Executive Governor of Akwa Ibom State, and all the chairman of our local government and the ESCO of the state, ladies and gentlemen, everybody here, including members of the press, peace be upon you all. Your Excellency, the Vice President, before I start, I must admit this crowd is an intimidating crowd. This crowd is a colorful crowd. This crowd is a jubilating crowd. And jubilation is a source of happiness. So all of you here came here out of your own volition. Came here because you are committed. Came here because you believe in your governor. Came here because you believe in our great party, the APC. So I thank you for coming. Your Excellency, the Vice President, we have to thank you for adding color to this occasion by representing the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We thank you for coming. We thank the Senate President, who is number 3, who was also the Governor of Akwa Ibom State. I would like to tell you, you were a successful governor because you laid the foundation of infrastructural facilities in Akwa Ibom State. We can say that you are the founder of modern Akwa Ibom State. And seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. This stadium is so beautiful like the wife of Senator Godswill Afabio. And the stadium is so strong. The stadium is so formidable. It is as formidable as Godswill Afabio. Mr. Senate President, when you were the governor of Akwa Ibom State, You are the leader of our party. Now, you have graduated to national level, where you are number 3. And you are now a national leader. I am happy to hear that the governor of Akwa Ibom now has described you as his grandfather. I'm sure you are happy. Your grandson is now the leader of the party in Akwa Ibom State. A happy father is the one who witnesses the growth and leadership of his child and that of his grandchild. So I congratulate the two of you. One a national leader, one a local leader. The local leader is the leader of the state. The national leader covers the whole nation. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to congratulate the governor of Akwa Ibom State because he is a wise leader. He is an intelligent leader. He knows the difference between national isolation and national unity. While he was in PDP, they were very few, they are still very few, and those who remain in PDP, the governors are suffering from national isolation. And since he has realized that, he decided to join the ruling party, the APC, contributing to national unity in Nigeria. National unity leads to national integration. National integration leads to national consolidation, leads to national consensus, leads to national development, and ultimately leads to national prosperity. So we have to thank the governor. Also, we have to thank the governor as well, because the National Working Committee is very much interested on the performance of governors all over the country. What we have seen is that this governor is a governor who has a good working relationship with the person who handed over government to him. The relationship between him is excellent. And this provided an opportunity for him to be a governor of continuity. He's able to continue with the good projects, good programs started by the previous governor. He completed other projects abandoned by previous administration. Therefore, he is a governor of continuity. And continuity leads to consolidation, and it leads to sustainability in governance. So we have to congratulate you. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a historic moment because the governor has decided to join our party with these millions of followers, including all his political party structures. You are most welcome to a progressive party. In fact, from your antecedent, from your disposition, you are a progressive governor. So we'll welcome you for coming home those that he met in the party don't regard him and his followers as newcomers. No, regard them as your brothers and sisters who went for sabbatical leave and now decided to come back home because they are progressive and they are meeting progressive party followers. So we have to congratulate him for that. We assure him that our party believes in internal democracy. Our party believes in progressive ideas. Our party believes in discipline. Our party believes in orderly progresses. Our party believes in overall development of this country. So you are most welcome into our party. We have to acknowledge Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. People are coming into our party, our political agenda, our renewed hope agenda for the South-South geopolitical zone is working. If you could recall, in the previous administration, the South-South geopolitical zone had no progressive governor, non-progressive South-South. But during Buhari administration, we were lucky. We had the governor of Cross River State who crossed so many rivers and came into our party as a progressive governor. During Asuwaji's government, you can see that from one governor in the South-South, through the ballot box, we were able to take away, we were able to confiscate through the ballot box, we were able to return our state, Edo State, which we lost to PDP. But during this administration, through the ballot box, we are able to reclaim that state to APC. Also, you could recall, last month, a great man, a great state, a very rich state, Delta State, through advocacy, through knowledge discussion, through persuasion, through understanding of political variables, the governor, with all his structures in PDP, decided and we received him into APC. Ladies and gentlemen, and today, history has repeated itself. Today we have received the governor of Akwa Ibom State. So you can see that our political agenda of the renewed hope agenda, as far as the South-South geopolitical zone is concerned, that agenda is working. Out of 0, now we have 4 states. Let me tell you, open your ears, open your eyes. We are also bringing more governors from South-South into our great party, the APC. This is fantastic, and it will give us an enabling environment so that we can have a uniform development agenda for the South-South geopolitical zone. There is no doubt you have the problem of environment. Therefore, since we have progressive governors dominating this zone, it is very easy to have a reform that will take care of your environmental problems. Also, there is the problem of the youth, especially unemployed youth. So it is now easy for Mr. President to introduce skill acquisition and entrepreneurship, so that your youth will be self-sufficient, self-employed, and that will reduce the insecurity problem we have in some parts of the country. So, ladies and gentlemen, with these few remarks, I now, as the chairman of our great party, surrounded by my working colleagues, members of the National Working Committee, I would like to hand over the flag of our party to our great leader, the governor of Akwa Ibom State. So this is handed over to you with your running mate, a beautiful lady, a hard-working lady. This is our flag. Also, this is our symbol. The broom is our symbol. It's a symbol of unity. It's a symbol of progress. It's a symbol of national development. And is a symbol of our great party. So I do hand over the broom. The deputy governor, this is also the broom.